Hello everyone. Good evening to all of you guys. Welcome to you all. Just confirm audio and video so that we can start the session. Yes. So guys, as we already started the inverse body plot in the last class में हम body plot start कर चुके थे. Inverse body plot. I have given you 3 steps. Okay, whenever any body magnitude plot is given, and we have seen that in many gate years. In many years already gate question has been asked guys, so inverse body plot से बहुत बार question पूछे गए हैं, and in the last session also I think we already solved 4 to 5 gate PYQs, even 1 or 2 engineering services question also we have already solved in the last class. Now in this class also we'll continue that inverse body plot. So first have a quick revision. Okay, first just have a quick revision about the inverse body plot steps. Okay, so what is the first step guys? Whenever any body magnitude plot is given to you and examiner is asking about the transfer function, now examiner can ask the oral transfer function, examiner may ask about the number of zeros and number of poles. Okay, or examiner can ask about the slope contribution questions also. Just like that, in a transfer function, if we have the 6 pole and 2 zeros, then what is the final slope? Then what you will do, you will just subtract the smaller value from the greater. So if we have a 6 poles and 2 zeros, so 6 minus 2, so which will dominate? Whatever is greater. So 6 pole now, so pole will dominate. So 6 minus 2, that is 4 only, and 4 pole, so ultimate slope will be minus 80 dB per decade, because 1 pole contribute minus 20, 1 zero will contribute plus 20. Okay, so if we talk about 3 poles, then minus 60. If we talk about 6 zeros, then plus 120. So this is how we already discussed in the last classes. Okay. Chali. So guys, let's start this class. So tell me which was the last question of last class. I think these all questions we already completed. This one also completed. This one also, yes. So this is the first question of today's class. Okay, I'm going to start today's class with this gate question. Okay guys, chale. So tell me guys, if I will use the final, whatever the technique we have used in the last session, I will just take a revision here. Okay, so let me show you again. So what is the steps is that, sir, whenever any inverse body plot is given, whenever body plot is given and you have to find out the transfer function, that process I named as a inverse body plot. So here what you need to do, the step number 1, we have to observe the starting slope. So after observing the starting slope, it will provide an information about poles and zero at origin. तो पहला स्टेप क्या होता है सर? सर फर्स्ट स्टेप ये होता है कि हमको इनिशियल स्लोप ऑब्जर्व करना है. What is the initial slope? Minus 40 dB per decade. Initial slope provide an information about the poles and zero at origin. सो -40 dB का इनिशियल स्लोप है, माइनस है मतलब पक्का पोल है, और -40 है इसका मतलब 2 पोल एट ओरिजिन है। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर। इसका मतलब 2 पोल एट ओरिजिन है। तो बताओ जरा, 2 पोल एट ओरिजिन इट मींस shall I write 1 by s square? Shall I write 1 by s square, guys? Yes, sir. Now, student, tell me, suppose that after that, what is happening? You have to check that the corner frequency is 2 and 5 and 25. So, corner frequency is those frequency at which change in slope occur, जहां आपका slope change हो रहा है। तो आप देखो यहाँ पे ये -40 है, फिर ये slope -60 हो गया क्या? Yes, sir. तो -40 में क्या करें कि -60 हो जाए? Sir, again -20 contributed. At which corner frequency? 2 corner frequency. So initially we are at -40 dB per decade, but as soon as the 2 radian per second will come, there will be a change in slope, and the earlier slope was -40, and now the new slope just after 2, it is -60. It means in the -40 we need to add -20 dB per decade. It means there will be one more pole. Pole means we should write in denominator, and I told you in the last class we should write like that 1 plus s upon whatever the corner frequency, that is 2 only. So we should write like this. Now student, right now we are here, but as soon as the 5 radian per second will come, what will happen? The again slope change occur, and now the slope will be from -60 to -40. So this slope is -40. So बच्चों जरा बताओ -60 में क्या करें कि -40 हो जाए? फटाफट से बताओ। -60 में हम लोग क्या करें कि -40 हो जाए? तो -60 में सर +20 करें। What we need to add in -60 so that it will become -40? We have to add +20. +20 का मतलब 1 0. 0 means come in numerator. So should I write 1 plus s by 5? S by 5, yes sir. Now we are traveling here, no problem. Slope is -40 dB per decade, but as soon as 25 radian per second frequency will come, that is corner frequency, and here we can observe the change in slope occur. Yes or no, guys? The change in slope occur. S by 5, S by 5, yes sir. चलिए बच्चों, so now you should tell me, so sir change in slope occurs 1 plus s by 5. Now at 25 what will happen? Sir earlier slope is -40, now the new slope is -60. तो -40 में क्या करें कि -60 हो जाए? What we need to add in -40 so that it will become -60? So again there is a contribution of -20 dB per decade. It means there will be a pole. -20 मतलब pole, +20 मतलब 0. Pole means it should come in denominator. Should I write here 1 plus s by 25? Yes. So now student, this is the entire thing. I am just only left with the last step. That is nothing but y equal to mx plus c, and it will allow me to find the value of gain k. So y equal to mx plus c. So what is the y value? 80. So y value I am putting here 80. What is the initial slope? Initial slope is -40. So -40 log of 0.1 plus c. So what is log 0.1, guys? -1. So minus minus plus. So should I write, guys, here 80 equal to 40 plus c. So what will be c here? The c value is nothing but 40, because 80 minus 40 na, so c value is 40, and c value we know that c value is nothing but 20 log 10 k. So if you will put the c value 40 here, so here is 20. This is also a short trick, guys. I will tell you, whenever the c value is multiple of 20 na, then you can directly cancel this. Sir, क्या हम 20 को 40 से कैंसिल करेंगे? यस सर, 22 जा. सो जो भी कैंसिलेशन फैक्टर आया ना, सो k इज नथिंग बट 10 की पावर, जिस पार्ट से ये कैंसिल हुआ वो 10 की पावर में चला जाएगा. दैट इज द शॉर्ट ट्रिक. सो k का वैल्यू क्या आ गया सर? 100. k का वैल्यू 100 आ गया, यहां पुट कर देते हैं 100. So when you will put this k value here, tell me which option correct, guys. So when you will take the LCM now, 25 or 2, and here from here also 5 will come. So actually you will get the option. You can check that which option you can eliminate. Tell me first of all. So because of s square, it means 2 poles lie at origin. We can eliminate these 2 options for sure. Option A and C for sure wrong. Option A or C तो पक्का wrong है sir. Now option D can be correct or B can be correct. And what is your simple observation says that when you will take the LCM, so in the numerator 1 by 5 you can take outside. Here 1 by 2 you can take outside, and 1 by 25 you can take outside. After taking outside, this 25 will be here, 2 will be here, and 5 will be here. Yes or no? So what is coming from the ultimate denominator? 25 into 250. So 1 by 50. 1 by 50 in denominator. It is eventually become 50 in the numerator and 50 upon 5. What is 50 upon 5? 10 only. So ultimate contribution is 10 into 100, that is 1000. Correct answer for this question is B for Bombay only. The last step I did verbally because it is just the LCM. Okay. If you want to do this, you can definitely take the LCM. You will get the same only. You will get the same only. Okay, bachcho? Chali. So I am going to again announce you guys. Today we have one more demo class, that is the network theory classes that we are going to conduct on our app और website. तो अगर आप network theory का demo class देखना चाहते हो तो आज अभी 8 o'clock पे start होने वाला है demo class. उस demo class को attend करने के लिए you need to just click on the course section, or you can also come to the home page, and here also you can click free demo, and in the free demo you need to enroll in this free demo live classes for EC electrical iron, and here you will get the free classes for the all subjects. So here network theory, today we have the class. So this network theory class you will get on our website or on our app. So network theory demo class 1 EC electrical iron, this will be in a live manner today 8 p.m. Okay, just after this class you can join there. Just after this class you can join there. Okay. So, and one more live class we are going to conduct today, that is Python programming in Python. That will be available on our YouTube channel as well as on our app, and that will start today only after my session on YouTube, that is 8:15. So right now control system session is going on, then after programming in Python will from 8:15 to 9:15, and from 9:15 to 10:15 we have the PNC session, that is part 3, that is from general aptitude section. Yes. After my session on YouTube, that is 8:15. So right now control system session is going on. Then Chali, I think voice is clear. Okay. So now coming to this part, guys. So I think this question completed. Now I am going for the next. This question we already completed in the last class, because by observing the initial slope only 40 dB per decade, initial slope is 40 dB per decade. It means we have a 2 zeros at origin. It means numerator must carry S square term. And here options give me opportunity to eliminate other options. Here is no S square in numerator, no S square, no S square. Correct answer on option number Chennai Super King CSK only. Yes or no, guys? Easy question. Chaliye next. Now this question also we solved in the last class only. Those who have not watched the last session, you can just watch the last session. We already solved this gate 23 question and we got the answer 4. Chaliye. Now this is the good question that has been asked in EC 2019. Question says that the body plot gave and asking for what? NP. NP means number of poles, NZ means number of zeros, and the diagram is also given to us in the next slide here, and you have to just count the number of poles and zeros and you should tell. No need to find transfer function here, just count the number of poles and number of zeros. Just use the concept of slope contribution at each and every corner frequency. आपको केवल ये चेक करना है कि what is the initial slope and what will be the change in slope at each and every corner frequency. अगर आप ये ऑब्जर्व करते जाओगे तो डायरेक्टली पोल एंड जीरो you guys can visualize and you can count even on your finger. No need to use your notebook and pen. Is this clear बेटा? चलिए, so फटाफट से स्टार्ट करते हैं हम ये. So ये क्वेश्चन है, फटाफट से tell me what is the initial slope, guys? Initial slope is 0. By observing the initial slope, it will provide the information about poles and zeros at origin. तो आप बताओ poles and zeros at origin पे, यहाँ पे this is the straight line. So in the straight line, there is no initial slope. It means the initial slope provide an information about poles and zero at origin. Because initial slope 0 है, इसका मतलब कोई भी pole और zero origin पे तो नहीं है. It means there is no poles and zeros at origin. Now tell me, guys, as soon as 10 की power 1 corner frequency will come, the slope change occur and 0 to -20 slope. -20 slope means 0 में क्या करे कि -20 हो जाए? Of course -20 add करना पड़ेगा. So -20 means we are adding a pole. Pole means denominator. So should I write the transfer function? Or I am just no need to write transfer function. I am just counting the poles and zero. So don't you think till here I am having one pole right now? बोलो बच्चों, इसने यहाँ पे 1 पोल कंट्रीब्यूट किया? यस सर, 1 पोल कंट्रीब्यूट किया. After that we are traveling at -20, but as soon as 10 square will come, 10 square मतलब 100 radian per second will come. Again there is a contribution of slope. Earlier slope was -20 and the new slope is -60. What I need to add in -20 so that it will become -60? -20 में क्या करें बच्चों कि -60 हो जाए? तो -40 ऐड करें सर. तो -40 का मतलब 2 पोल और ऐड हो गए. So here will contribute about 2 pole. So इस वाली corner frequency पे 1 pole contribute हुआ, इस वाली corner frequency पे 2 pole contribute हो गए. As of now we are having total 3 pole. Okay, 1 pole here, 2 pole here, no zero as of now. Now we will travel here, we'll enjoy here. Now as soon as this corner frequency will come, that is 10 to the power 3, there is a change in slope occur. Earlier slope was -60 and the new slope is -40. -60 में क्या करें कि -40 हो जाए? तो आप बोलोगे सर +20 करें, तो इस पे +20 किया, +20 मीन्स 10. सो हियर 10 कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड सर. सो अल्टीमेटली अभी तक क्या क्या हो गया? लेट मी टेक द डिफरेंट पेन. सो अभी तक हमारे पास 1 पोल इधर, 2 पोल इधर, एक 10. सो अभी तक till now whatever we observed till 10 to the power 3, we noted that we have a total 3 poles and 1 0 as of now. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. अभी यहाँ पे -60 से -20 हो गया, यहाँ ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. अभी 10 की पावर 4, 10 की पावर 4 पे क्या हुआ? द -40 विल बिकम इवेंचुअली 0. Now what should you need to add? What you need to add in -40 dB per decade so the slope will become 0. -40 में क्या ऐड करूं कि 0 हो जाए? +40 ऐड करें. +40 का मतलब हो गया 20 because +20 10 +40 20. सो इसका मतलब इस कॉर्नर फ्रीक्वेंसी पे कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन हुआ? तो आप बोलोगे 2 0 का कंट्रीब्यूशन हुआ. ना अभी तक आप काउंट कर लो, 2 पोल 3, टोटल 3 पोल 3 0. सो अभी तक मुकाबला बराबर है. अभी तक बोथ द टीम्स आर हैविंग इक्वल गोल्स. 3 पोल्स 3 0. अभी तक का मुकाबला इक्वल, 3 पोल्स 3 0. नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? 10 की पावर 5. Exactly as soon as 10 की power 5 will come, again there is a change in slope and the next slope is -40 dB per decade. अब 0 dB per decade में क्या करें कि -40 dB per decade आ जाए? तो ऑफ कोर्स -40 किया मतलब 2 पोल और कंट्रीब्यूट हो गए. तो इस कॉर्नर फ्रीक्वेंसी पे क्या कंट्रीब्यूट हुआ बच्चों? 2 पोल और कंट्रीब्यूट हुए. नाउ अब बताओ, अभी आगे चल रहे हो. जैसे ही 10 की पावर 6 आया, अर्लियर स्लोप वाज -40, न्यू स्लोप इज -60. -40 में क्या करें कि -60 हो जाए? सो -20 और ऐड करें. -20 का मतलब 1 मोर पोल. सो इस कॉर्नर फ्रीक्वेंसी पे आपने एक और पोल कंट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. तो अल्टीमेटली हाउ मेनी पोल्स एंड हाउ मेनी जीरोस? सो एग्जामिनर इज आस्किंग फॉर द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोल्स व्हिच इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय NP, and examiner is also asking the total number of zeros which is representing by NZ. So can you please tell me NP? NP मतलब 2, 1 pole, 2 pole and total pole 3 pole and 3 zeros, and here 2 pole 1 pole. So 1 और 2 3, 3 and 3 6 pole total. Yes or no? 2 और 1 3 और 2 5 और 1 6. Total 6 poles and 2 and 1 3 zeros. So total we have how many poles? 6 poles and 3 zeros, sir. So correct answer for this question is option number A for Ahmedabad, 6 poles and 3 zeros. Everyone can easily attempt this question if you have attended the last class. अगर last class इसका requirement है बच्चों, अगर last class आपने मिस नहीं किया और देखा है, रिकॉर्डिंग भी देखा है, तो भी चलेगा. इस क्वेश्चन को आप डेफिनेटली हवा में उड़ा सकते हो. विदाउट टचिंग नोटबुक एंड पेन भी इस क्वेश्चन को किया जा सकता है. चलिए आगे चलते हैं अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. चलिए ये बताइए, अभी इस क्वेश्चन में व्हाट इज द न्यू इन दिस क्वेश्चन कि सर स्लोप लिख के नहीं दिया है. सो स्लोप यू हैव टू रीड इन द वाई एक्सेस. सो यू नीड टू सी दिस कि हाउ मच डिस्टेंस वी आर ट्रेवलिंग. सर 32 dB से लेके -8 dB ट्रेवल करना है. इसका मतलब 40 dB का डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया वाई एक्सेस में. और यहां से यहां में क्या डिस्टेंस? 1 से लेके 10 के अंदर एक डिकेड हुआ. सो इट मींस कैन आई से दैट फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, can I say that the slope, because it is a decreasing line, so slope is minus, so slope is -40 dB per decade. If the slope is -20 dB per decade, and if our examiner is asking for the transfer function GS, it is given to me. So GS transfer function, if I wish to design, then can I say that कि सर द ट्रांसफर फंक्शन शुड कंटेन ओनली पोल एट ओरिजिन, इस ट्रांसफर फंक्शन में केवल पोल ओरिजिन पे होंगे क्योंकि उसके अलावा कहीं चेंज इन स्लोप हो ही नहीं रहा, सीधे स्ट्रेट लाइन है बस। तो इसका मतलब ये कि जो इनिशियल स्लोप है बस वो ही केवल पोल कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है, उसके अलावा ट्रांसफर फंक्शन में कुछ है ही नहीं। सो ट्रांसफर फंक्शन कंटेनिंग ओनली पोल्स एट ओरिजिन। सो हाउ मेनी पोल्स? -40 dB पर डिकेड। -20 का मतलब होता है 1 पोल, -40 का मतलब 2 पोल। इनिशियल स्लोप है, इसका मतलब 2 पोल्स लाई एट ओरिजिन। So the transfer function must be k upon s square, and by observing this, I can do verbally also. By observing this, I can eliminate two options, that is option number A and C for sure wrong. Now option B can be right or option D can be right. Now again the basic concept says that sir, we are looking for the k value. We need to write y equal to mx plus c. What is the y value, sir? Y value is 32. I should write y value 32 here. What is the initial slope? So initial slope is -40. I should write here -40 log of 10 because x is log 10 omega. So log 10 here is what? 1. So log 10 1 plus c log 1 is 0. So c value itself 32. Tell me guys, yes or no? Now tell me, if c value is 32 now, then k value should not be 32, sir. Because k value should not 32, it means this option also wrong. So if out of 4 options, 3 options wrong, then the B option for sure correct. Even if you want to prove, then you can write C is nothing but 20 log 10 k, and if C value is 32, 32 equal to 20 log 10 k. So from here what you will get? You will get k equal to what? You will get k equal to 10 की power 32 upon 20, and then when you will calculate, you will get near to 39.8. You can calculate from the scientific calculator, and you will get the option B correct answer. You will get the correct answer, option number B, guys. So from here what you will get k equal to. चलिए. So I think guys till here everything is crystal clear. If you have still doubt, you can write in comment section also. ओके चलिए, आपने अगर पहले कोई भी क्लासेस अटेंड किया है मेरा ऑफलाइन में, ऑनलाइन में, यूट्यूब पे, तो अपने एक्सपीरियंस को जरा कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिएगा। चल लेट्स सॉल्व द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ। ये एक और शानदार क्वेश्चन। वी हैव सीन दैट कि सर बोडे प्लॉट में एक फेज प्लॉट है, एक मैग्नीट्यूड प्लॉट है, बट एज फार एज ट्रांसफर फंक्शन डिजाइन इज कंसर्न, ओनली बोडे मैग्नीट्यूड प्लॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड. So I will focus only on the Bode magnitude plot. Now can you please tell me कि sir it is 10 की power 0, that is 1, it is 10, it is 100. So आपको ये देखना है पहले कि कॉर्नर फ्रीक्वेंसीज कौन कौन सा है। सर ये 10 है और ये 100 है, तो कॉर्नर फ्रीक्वेंसी एक तो 1 हुआ, एक तो 100 हुआ। Now you have to check कि what is the slope of this line. Now here is a scope of mistake. अभी कुछ लोग यहाँ पे they will commit mistake. क्या मिस्टेक करेंगे वो लोग? वो सोचेंगे कि स्लोप कितना है 0 से लेके 80, तो दे विल राइट 80 dB पर डिकेड स्लोप, जबकि ये रॉन्ग है, बिकॉज स्लोप पर डिकेड में काउंट हो रहा है, एंड 1 से लेके 100 तो 2 डिकेड हो गया, आपको एक डिकेड देखना है। सो 1 से लेके 10 के अंदर देयर इज ए 40 डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल। सो इस लाइन का स्लोप कितना हुआ बच्चों? 40 dB पर डिकेड। So slope हो गया सर 40 dB per decade. Okay. So if I wish to design the transfer function GS, then I should first of all follow the 3 steps. My first step says that observe the starting slope. It will provide an information about poles and zeros at origin. मैं वापस रिपीट करता हूं, हमको सबसे पहले इनिशियल स्लोप को ऑब्जर्व करना है, और वो इनिशियल स्लोप आपको ये बताएगा कि कितने पोल्स और जीरोस ओरिजिन पे हैं। तो बताओ, अभी इनिशियल स्लोप तो 0 है सर, इसका मतलब देयर इज नो पोल्स एंड 0 एट ओरिजिन। द रीजन इज नो इनिशियल स्लोप। इनिशियल स्लोप 0 होने के कारण देयर इज नो पोल्स एंड 0 एट ओरिजिन। नाउ एज सून एज द फर्स्ट कॉर्नर फ्रीक्वेंसी विल कम, देयर इज अ चेंज इन स्लोप, और वो चेंज इन स्लोप क्या हो गया? +40 dB। +40 का मतलब 2 जीरो आएंगे, 2 जीरो आएंगे मतलब 1 प्लस कॉर्नर फ्रीक्वेंसी तो 1 है, 1 प्लस s/1 का होल स्क्वायर हो गया। अभी आप इस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे जा रहे हो, ट्रेवल कर रहे हो। मैं बताओ एज सून एज 100 विल कम, 40 क्या हो गया? 0 हो गया। अब 40 में क्या करें कि 0 हो जाए? -40 मतलब 2 पोल आ गए, किस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे है? 100 पे है, तो 1 प्लस s/100 का होल स्क्वायर। So now we already completed with the 2 steps, step number 1 and step number 2. We are left with the last step number, that is y equal to mx plus c, and that will give you the k value. So I'm writing here y equal to mx plus c. What is the y value? Initial value 0, sir. Initial value 0. What is the initial slope? Slope also 0. So y be 0, slope be 0, c be 0. Some student will say k be 0. No, no, no. K is not 0 because k is what? K is 20 log 10. K c is equal to 20 log 10 k. If c value is 0, then 0 is equal to what? You should write 20 log 10 k. Now here what? K equal to. So from this equation you can write k is nothing but 10 की power 0, that is 1. So इसका मतलब k का value 1 आ गया. Now you are just left with the LCM because correct option पे पहुंचने के लिए, desired option पे पहुंचने के लिए आपको LCM लेना होगा. तो LCM लोगे तो नोमिनेटर में तो s plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर ही रहा, और यहां से जब 1/100 बाहर निकला और स्क्वायर भी है तो बाहर निकला 1/10 की पावर 4. अब इन डिनोमिनेटर 1/10 की पावर 4 है तो ऊपर आके क्या हो गया, वो 10 की पावर 4 यहां हो गया और यहां हो गया LCM s plus 100 का होल स्क्वायर. And this exactly option matching with the option number B for Bombay. Correct answer is B here. The final answer is option B here. I hope this is fine, guys. I hope this is crystal clear. Chalo. Sir, please explain English language also. Completely, I explain in English language only, beta. I think you just came, that is why. Okay, I'm again explaining. If you want this question again repeat in English, I'm just repeating. So for such type of question, if you are looking for the transfer function, you need to follow the 3 steps. The step number 1 is observing the starting slope. When you will observe the starting slope, it will provide an information about poles and zeros at origin. Because in this question there is no initial slope, that is why no poles and zero at origin. It means there is no s and 1 by s term. Now, once the first corner frequency 1 will come, so I am telling you, beta, this is our this is our second class of body plot. Before that also we have solved so many questions. Right now we are in the mid. Still I am repeating in the English, no problem. We in my classes, I will repeat in English also, Hindi also, no problem. Whichever city you belong, you can definitely understand the concept, okay? But the thing is, you should be a good listener, okay? If you will listen carefully, for sure you will get. So again, I am repeating, as soon as the first corner frequency will come 1, we need to check how many change in slope occur. So dekho, at 1, before 1, the slope is 0, and just after 1, there is a change in slope. And what is this slope? 40 dB per decade, because in the Y we are having 40 dB, and this is 1 to 10. 1 to 10 is a 1 decade. So 40 dB per decade says that there will be 2 zeros. So that is why I have written here 1 plus s by 1. Why I did s by 1? Because the corner frequency is 1. If suppose that this corner frequency is 5, then I will write 1 upon 1 plus s by 5. Okay, because it is 1, that is why divided with 1. And why whole square? Because I need to make 2 zeros. 2 zeros because slope is 40. Suppose that sir slope is 20. Suppose that the slope is 20, then अगर स्लोप 20 होता तो 1 प्लस एस बाई 1 ही होता, स्क्वायर नहीं आता, क्योंकि उस समय हमको एक ही जीरो क्रिएट करना था. दैट टाइम वी नीड टू क्रिएट ओनली 1 जीरो. नाउ अगेन यू नीड टू से कि सर नाउ दिस 40 dB per decade is going on. Now tell me, as soon as the next corner frequency will come, that is 10 square. As soon as the Bhupati 10 square means 100. As soon as the 100 radian per second frequency will come, now what is happening here, Bhupati? Earlier last slope was 40 dB and the new slope is 0. Now what should I do with plus 40 so that it will become 0? Tell me, what should I do with plus 40 so that the slope will become 0? So you will reply, sir, of course we need to add minus 40. Minus 40 slope contributed means it represent, minus 20 says that 1 pole, minus 40 matlab 2 pole. Pole means we should write in denominator. So that is why I am writing here 1 plus s by 100 ka whole square. So these 2 steps over. Now I am just left with the k calculation. So what I did here, y equal to mx plus c. The initial value y is 0. The end slope is also 0. And c here. So c equal to 20 log 10 k. C equal to what? 20 log 10 k. So if you will put the value of c 0 here, then the k value is nothing but 10 ki power 0. That is 1 only. So I just substituted the k value 1 here. And finally I took the LCM. And after LCM, I got the answer option number B. I hope, Bhupati, it is crystal clear to you, beta. I hope this is crystal clear to you. Okay, is it your first class, Bhupati? So if it is your first class beta, you can also watch our signals and system classes that we conducted uh, on 22 and 23rd. On 22nd of March, 23rd of March, we conducted signals and system free demo classes, and here we are going on with control system classes. Okay, and you can also visit our website beta. When you will visit our website, you will get the network class also. So today when you will visit this website, StudifyPlus.com, okay, this is our website. Here is the option of free demo. So when you click on free demo, here is a elite batch free demo live classes, EC electrical IR. So today, just after this control class, we have a network class also that will be on our app or website. So अगर आप मोबाइल पे देख रहे हो तो you can just download the Studify Plus app from the Play Store, or you can directly visit our website and log in. So जब आप log in करोगे तो ये course को this is free of cost. Just need to click here, and after that you will get the classes lectures of today is network theory. You will get the general aptitude also. You will get the control signals. All the lectures are available here. You can watch it. And all the sincere students, those who are looking for the good rank in the upcoming exam, if your target is IITs or PSUs or IISc, then you can join, you can enroll in our elite batch or Arjuna batch. Okay, beta? Okay, Bhupati, can you please confirm my audio? Is this audio is perfectly clear or there is a echo? Audio is clear. Should I say more loudly or this is fine? Chali. So now guys, coming to the next question. This is again a beautiful question that has been asked in electronics 2010. चलिए बात करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन में. So how many corner frequencies we have? 0.1 and 10. So if you are looking for the transfer function, again there is a scope of mistake. Many students commit mistake in such type of question. I am talking about those who already know all the concept, who already know that 1 pole minus 20, 1 0 plus 20, who already know y equal to mx plus c, who already did multiple problem. Still in this question there is a scope of mistake. I am telling you, क्या mistake होगा? So this is my first class, sir. Yes, Bhupati. So I know, I think this is your first class, no problem. So voice is clear, okay? Yes, yes. So that is why I am telling you, beta, this is your first class. So all the previous classes available in the recording form, you can watch it, or all the upcoming classes. We have the tomorrow also class of network theory, and we have the class of digital circuits. So you can attend those classes also, okay? You can subscribe the YouTube channel, so you will get the notification also for the upcoming live classes, upcoming videos, okay? Now, if you are planning for GATE 26 preparation, then you can also connect with us. The mobile number and the email ID is given to us on our website. Okay, चलो अभी आ जाओ यहाँ पे बच्चों. As soon as 0.1. So what is the initial slope again? I am solving this question from starting. The initial slope is 0. So Bhupati, if initial slope is 0, it means there is no poles and 0. I am again repeating the concept from you. One pole means minus 20 dB per decade, and 1 0 signifies plus 20 dB per decade. Okay, this is all about the slope concept. I explained this whole concept in yesterday class actually. So yesterday also we conducted 1 hour class, and today also we are class going on. Okay, so no problem. Still I am telling you, if you will listen carefully now, this question you can understand for sure. I will repeat 2 times also if you want. Okay, so initial slope is what? 0. It means there is no pole and 0 at origin. It means there will be no s and 1 by s term. Okay, now the first corner frequency is 0.1. Now tell me, as soon as 0.1 corner frequency will come, there will be a change in slope. The earlier slope was 0 and the new slope is what? Now what is the biggest mistake that generally student commit? Student will see that, student observe that slope is 40 dB per decade, and they consider the slope, they consider the line slope is 40 dB per decade. And here is the mistake. Why? Sir, because 0.1 to 10 is not a decade, sir. 0.1 to 10 is a 2 decade. 0.1 to, it means somewhere in the middle we have a 1. So 0.1 to 1 is a 1 decade, and 1 to 10 is another decade. So it means we have to write the slope in per decade. So in somewhere mid we have 20. So what is the line slope? The line slope is plus 20 dB per decade. As I already told you, if the slope is plus 20 per decade, if this, I am just repeating for you only, this everything I already explained in the last class, by the way. Plus 20 dB per decade representing 1 0, and the minus 20 dB per decade representing one pole. If you know this simple concept, now suppose that in future examiner will ask, we have the initial slope plus 60 dB per decade. Suppose that plus 60 dB per decade. It means plus 60 dB per decade. What represent? It represent 3 zeros. Yes or no? If the slope is minus 40, then 2 pole. By 1 pole minus 20, 2 pole minus 40, 3 pole minus 60. Yes or no? It's simple table, guys. If we have a 1 0 plus 20, 2 zeros plus 40, 3 zeros plus 60, 8 zeros plus 160. Yes or no? Bhupati, are you guys with me? Yes or no, beta? चलो, तो अभी initial slope is what? Initial slope, sir, plus 20. So plus 20 occur at which corner frequency, sir? 0.1. So should I write in the numerator or denominator? 0 should come in numerator and pole should come in denominator. So it means I should write in numerator, sir. Numerator means 1 plus s upon 0.1. So this is my first term completed. Now I am traveling here, we are enjoying here. But as soon as the 10 radian per second will come, there will be again change in slope. Change in slope means it is a corner frequency. Now what will be the changes in slope? The earlier slope was plus 20 and the next slope is 0. इससे पहले slope plus 20 था, now the next slope is 0. So what was the last slope? Last slope was 20 and the next slope is 0. Now tell me what I should add in plus 20 so that it will become 0. So of course you need to add minus 20. Minus 20 means at this 10 radian per second, there will be a contribution of minus 20 dB per decade slope. Minus 20 dB per decade slope contribute what? It means there will be a pole. Minus 20 means pole. Pole means I should write in denominator. Should I write 1 plus s by 10? 1 plus s by 10? Yes, sir. Now, student, this equation, this box is crystal clear. This is my final transfer function. I already completed with step number 1 and 2. I am just left with the last step, and the last step is gain k. So y equal to mx plus c. So when you will write y equal to mx plus c here, what is the initial slope? What is the initial slope, or what is the y value? So you will write y value 0, sir. And initial slope is also 0. So 0 into x is 0. So c equal to 0. And what is c value? I have a space here. I will write the other calculation here. From here to here I am writing. So because we know that c is nothing but sir 20 log 10 k. And because c value is 0, so 0 equal to 20 log 10 k. It means k is nothing but 10 ki power 0, which will eventually give you 1. So k value 1. It means this box is nothing but the final answer, sir. ये जो box में लिखा है transfer function, that only my final answer. Now, if you will check with the options, Bhupati, can you please check with the options and tell me which option correct? This is the option correct. Now you just need to figure out कि this expression present in which option. I am showing you the option that is available in the next slide. Okay, just be alert and tell me this expression mentioned in which option. This is also a task. Some student, but some innocent student even can do mistake here also. So whatever the last expression we got now, Bhupati Balakrishnan. Bhupati, from where you belong, beta? From Bangalore or where? From where? We are also conducting classes from Bangalore only. So do reply first. Just to do reply fast. Which option correct now? Which option exactly matching with our last expression? Bolo. Which expression exactly matching? Tell me. बोलो प्यारे बच्चों, is this crystal clear or not? Bhupati, tell me now which option correct, beta. Now again I am telling you which option correct, guys. So this exact expression, can I write 1 by 0.1 as a 1 plus tan s? So I can rewrite this expression. I can rewrite this final expression as a 1 plus 1 by 0.1 is a 10s and 1 by 10 is a 0.1, so 1 plus 0.1s. And this exact expression exactly matching with the option A. Option A, 1 plus 10s and 1 plus 0.1s, exact answer option number A for Ahmedabad. Is this clear, Bhupati Balakrishnan? Chali. So I think this is crystal clear, guys. Now we can go for next. All of you just do reply fast. Shall we go for next or wait? चलिए. So आगे चलते हैं next question की तरफ. Again, this is an engineering services question and we can solve this question very easily because there is no calculation involved. Only you need to read the slope changes, and you need to count the pole and zero on finger. I will also not touch notebook and pen. You should also not touch it. Just leave your notebook and page, notebook or pen, and just read the first sentence asking for about the open loop transfer function containing how many poles and zeros. So observe the initial. Tell me initially what is happening. So when you will check here, you will get to know initial slope is minus 40 dB per decade for omega less than 0.1. So it means less than 0.1 initial slope was minus 40 dB per decade. Minus 20 contribute 1 pole, minus 40 contribute 2 pole. Is this clear or not? Is this clear? It means if initial slope is minus 40, it means we have a 2 pole, sir. It means we have a 2 pole, sir. Okay. Now next, what is happening? After that, minus 40 will become minus 20. It means what should I do with minus 40? अरे minus 40 में क्या करें कि minus 20 बन जाए? What should I add in minus 40 so that it will become minus 20? Of course, हमको plus 20 add करना पड़ेगा. Plus 20 means 1 0. It means 1 0 contributed here. Okay, sir. Now, as soon as the 0.1 to 10 ये हुआ, after 10, the slope will be 0. Now, you can see this. The earlier slope was minus 40. After that, minus 20. And after that, 0. It means minus 20 में मैं क्या करूं कि 0 हो जाए? What should I add in minus 20 slope so that the slope will become 0? So there will be a contribution of plus 20 dB per decade slope. मतलब plus 20 का contribution हुआ है, plus 20 का मतलब एक और 0, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 1 more 0. So examiner बोल रहा है इसको add कर दो. How many total poles? Total 0. So you will reply, sir, total we have a 2 poles and 1 0 1 0 मिलके 2 0. So 2 poles and 2 zeros, 2 poles and 2 zeros indicate option number B for Bombay is the only correct answer, guys. Correct answer is option number B. I hope this is crystal clear. I hope this is fine. Just do reply fast, guys. Is this crystal clear? Shall we go for next or wait? Just let me know. Shall we go for next or wait? चलिए आगे चलते हैं next question की तरफ. Again a beautiful question where you just need to identify the pole zeros. So tell me what is the initial slope, beta. So when you will observe, you will get to know the initial slope is minus 20, sir. Minus 20 means 1 pole at origin. It means the transfer function must contain 1 by s term. 1 by s term. 1 by s यहाँ है क्या? नहीं है sir. Option A wrong. 1 by s term option D में है क्या? नहीं है. Option D wrong. So now option A and D for sure wrong. Now B can be correct or C can be correct. So if I will design here, I can write first 1 by s. Now tell me what is happening at 2 radian per second at 2 corner frequency. The slope contributed how much? Earlier slope was minus 20. New slope is minus 40. पहले slope minus 20 था और new slope minus 40 हो गया. Now what I should add in minus 20 so that it will become minus 40. अरे minus 20 में क्या add करें कि minus 40 हो जाए? तो आप बोलोगे minus 20 और add करो. Minus 20 means pole. It means 2 radian per second पे. It means 2 radian per second frequency पे एक और pole contribute होगा. And pole means, tell me guys, minus 20 to minus 40, it means pole आया. Pole means should I write 1 plus s by 2. अब यहीं पे हम पेन छोड़ देंगे, यहीं पे हम कॉपी पेन छोड़ देंगे क्योंकि हमको ये पता चला कि here s by 2 term, even when you will take the LCM ना, then 2 term will come here. It means s plus 2 term must exist in denominator. S plus 2 term must exist in denominator, and here s plus 2 exists in numerator. It allows me to eliminate this option also. And in the gate or engineering services question, out of 4 option in the MCQ, if you are 100% sure कि remaining 3 options are wrong, then no need to prove the 4th one. अभी हमारा A, C और D तो पक्का wrong है. Correct answer for sure option number B for Bombay. Yes or no? Now last step, of course, here minus 40 slope will become minus 20. It means here how much slope contributed? Plus 20 dB per decade contributed. It means this term should come in the numerator. Of course, the K will be pending, and after LCM, this constant term also get modified. No need to find this because options are like that. We can eliminate the 3 options. I hope this is crystal clear to everyone. Option number C. What option C? Option B is correct here. I think you replied for the last question. Chalo. So Bhupati, this is a live test for you, beta. Bhupati, can you try to solve this question now? Even if you listen carefully the last 15-minute class, na, you are eligible to solve this question. Bolo. Do you want to try this question, Bhupati? Let's have an attempt. It doesn't matter whether you will correct do this question correct or not. At least you should have your true attempt. Okay, just try to give your honest attempt, guys. Okay, and let's see whether you will able to solve or not. Anyway, I am going to explain this in the next 1 minute. I am waiting for your response. Last question, B answer correct. In this question, which option correct? Can you please try? Initial slope is 40, and after that 40 mein kya? What we should do with 40 so that it will become minus 60? You should read like this. You should ask yourself this question. Then you will definitely get the answer. Then you will get for sure the answer. Bolo pyare bachcho. Are you getting this? B, okay. So are you attempting, I think? Okay, so I am going to explain here parallelly GS equal to. Of course, guys, there is no need to write this numerator and denominator. I just need to simply say this कि plus 40 dB per decade. अच्छा. Plus 40 initial slope, it means 2 zeros. It means there will be a s square term in numerator. There will be s square term in numerator. And the beauty of the options is what? All the options are having s square term in numerator. So by observing this, we cannot eliminate any option. Okay, beta? Now coming to the part, कि as soon as 10 radian per second will come, what is happening here? At 10, what is happening? The earlier slope was plus 40 and the next slope is minus 60. भाई plus 40 में क्या किया जाए कि minus 60 हो जाए? What we should do with plus 40 dB per decade so that it will become minus 60? So you will reply, sir, we have to do minus 100. Minus 100 dB per decade slope contributed. Minus 100 का मतलब 5 poles. 5 poles, it means 1 plus s by 10 की power 5. Of course, k will change when you will take the LCM. So tell me which option correct, guys. Chennai Super King, CSK. Is this correct answer, CSK, guys? Ks square upon 1 plus s by 10 की power 5. Of course, k is the here. So correct answer is exactly C. No poles at origin. Why no poles at no pole at origin, but 2 zeros at origin, na? Of course, no poles at origin, but there should be 2 zeros at origin. And what is the reason behind that? Because the initial slope was plus 40 dB per decade. Initial slope, no poles at origin, but there will be 2 zeros at origin, which makes the term ks square, s square in numerator. S square in the numerator representing what? S square in numerator representing what, guys? 2 zeros at origin. Okay, guys. So नाउ 8 o'clock हो गया है और हमारा शायद नेटवर्क का क्लास स्टार्ट हो चुका है ऐप के ऊपर. ऐप और वेबसाइट पे जाइए फटाफट से और नेटवर्क क्लास अटेंड कर लीजिए इफ यू आर फ्रॉम ईसी इलेक्ट्रिकल आईआर. एंड वेरी सून ऑन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल और फर्स्ट क्लास फॉर डीए स्टूडेंट, दैट इज Python programming, going to be start at 8:15 on our YouTube channel. So first of all, just visit our website, guys. There are so many free courses, and once you will satisfied and once you will feel that कि sir there will be a amazing learning, जब आपको लगे कि आपको काफी कुछ you have learned a lot, after that definitely from 31st March or first Arjuna batch, as well as when you will go on the course section, you will get or elite batch for gate 26-27 going to be start from 31st March. The prices are 16,000 for 1 year subscription. Here you will get all the subjects of ECE, control, signal, digital, communication, EDC, EMFT, network, okay, COA, engineering maths, general aptitude, control signal, digital, सब कुछ. Similarly for EE, you will get all the subjects. DA, all the subject. IN, all the subject. When you will click on view all, you will get all. So if you are planning to prepare for 26, if you have from any branch like mechanical, civil, CS, even petroleum, chemical, okay, XC, कोई भी आपका branch है, you can purchase in engineering maths and general aptitude code, which itself has a weightage of in every branch 28 marks minimum, and in DA it is having 58 marks weightage. You can enroll this engineering maths and general aptitude Arjuna batch that going to be start from 31st March. Here we have an approximate 70% offer now, so you will have around 8,000 price, but you will get in 2,500 only. So you can save approximately 5,500 rupees, guys. Okay. Similarly, here we have the recorded batch also. Okay, and here we have the batches for gate 27. So if you are in second year, third year, if you are planning to write gate 26 also, 27 also, and you can enroll in the 2-year program. Here you will get the validity of all the subject of your branch and the validity till 28th Feb 27. 2 साल का validity मिलेगा, and you will get the opportunity to learn each and every subject in a live manner twice. It means you can attend 2 times all the lectures in a live manner, and all the live lectures recording available to you. Anytime you can access for the recorded lecture. You can get the PDF, you can get the practice question, live test. After every chapter you will have chapter test. After every subject you will have subject test. You will get all the PYQs after every topic, after every subject. Okay, guys. So for more inquiries, you can directly contact to this given number, or you can click on this contact us, and here you will see our mobile number is there and email ID, that is admin@StudifyPlus.com, and call 8200789441. For any inquiry you can connect with us. We will happy to guide you guys. Okay, chali. So that's all from today's class. Bye bye, take care, हंसते रहे, मुस्कुराते रहे, guys. Love you all. That's all from today's session.